Hi, I'm Crystal Atkins with Industrial Power Trucking Equipment right here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2027 NPR HD gas crew cab landscape truck. This has a 6.6 liter gas engine, 350 horsepower, comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, bumper to bumper, and a 5-year, 75,000 engine warranty, depending on what comes first, either the 5 years or 75,000. We also have a lot of really great extended warranty options as well. So let's talk a little bit about the truck. So this is a crew cab and it seats up to 7. Lots of really great storage space. Great maneuverability in town. So if you're talking about having crews that are in town, tight fit spaces, this truck is really great for that. This also comes with heated and remote mirrors, which is a really nice feature. So we're going to come around to the side. We're going to look at the inside and talk a little bit about the storage and things like that. This truck has a 7-inch display screen, Android and Apple CarPlay. Really great for safety features while your drivers are driving. It has a mobile workspace, lots of storage up top, storage here in the middle as well. Heavy duty floor mats are standard on all the trucks. If we can come to the back, you can see this is a really large space. So really comfortable seating for all your crew for those long, heavy days. Makes it really a nice feature. So let's talk about the cab. This is a 19-foot Wil-Ro open body landscape truck. Has storage compartments here, which is really nice. Fold down gates on both sides. You can see the other ones folded down. Storage up top, room for your weed eaters here. We have a split dovetail ramp, which is really nice. Convenient if you just want to keep one side down. You only have something small you want to get up. The other thing that's really nice is that when you're loading and unloading mulch and soil and things like that, it's super easy just to drop these down and load the stuff instead of having to actually come up on the ramp every single time. It's a really nice feature with this landscape truck. You'll also notice this has D-rings on it, so good for tie down, things like that. It has the diamond plate, has the grip here, so it has really good stability moving stuff in and out. Again, this is a 2027 NPR HD gas crew cab, open body, 19-foot Wil-Ro landscape truck. We have lots of different options for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more information. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. And again, I'm Crystal Atkins with Industrial Power Trucking Equipment.